What if you could rewind the market? Go back to any session, replay it tick by tick, and practice your setups without any of the pressure of a live evaluation. Hi, this is Ryan with NinjaTrader. In this video, we're covering the top 5 reasons prop traders should be using Market Replay, and how NinjaTrader's Market Replay playback connection makes it work. Market Replay is a process of replaying historical market data to simulate live trading conditions. NinjaTrader's Market Replay feature builds on that concept by letting you interact with real historical data using tools designed for execution, analysis, and repetition. Think of it as prep work, but with actual materials, giving you a clearer view of how your strategy performs when conditions unfold in real time. It's worth understanding how Market Replay differs from standard paper trading. Both allow risk-free practice, but the underlying data is different. Paper trading lets you use simulated practice feeds. NinjaTrader's Market Replay uses actual tick-by-tick historical data, giving you a more accurate picture of how your setups perform under real market conditions. That added realism can matter a lot, especially when timing and order flow are part of your edge. Getting set up is straightforward. You can download Market Replay data directly within the NinjaTrader platform and connect to the Market Replay playback connection to start selecting sessions. Once connected, you control the pace, slowing down to analyze specific setups or speeding up to move through multiple sessions efficiently. With all that said, let's get into the 5 reasons prop traders should be using Market Replay. The first is practicing real setups without risking your evaluation. Market Replay lets you test entries, refine exits, and adjust your risk management using real sessions instead of hypothetical scenarios. That repetition can help you uncover strengths and weaknesses before they show up in your actual evaluations. The second is flexibility. NinjaTrader's Market Replay makes it possible to practice outside of live market hours. You can revisit sessions whenever it fits your schedule, early mornings, evenings, or weekends. For traders balancing other commitments, that flexibility can make a real difference in building a consistent practice routine. The third is speed. The Market Replay playback connection can replay market data at up to 1,000 times normal speed, allowing you to test strategies and indicators across days, weeks, or even months of historical data in a single session. That efficiency can help you identify patterns and refine strategies across longer time frames in far less time. The fourth is liking this video, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. I'm just kidding. The fourth reason is building confidence in high volatility moments before they happen live. You can use playback connection to pressure test your strategies against high volatility events, like CPI releases or market opens, before those setups appear in a live evaluation account. Revisiting these moments can help you better understand how your setups respond when volatility increases. And the fifth is that setup is built right into the platform. NinjaTrader's Market Replay feature is integrated directly into the trading simulator, so you can begin practicing without additional tools or a complicated setup. Market Replay data is available within the NinjaTrader prop platform. Download sessions and start replaying them quickly, with minimal friction. Off-hours practice is where a lot of the real work happens. Instead of reacting in real time, you can choose specific sessions, trend days, range-bound conditions, high volatility events, and focus on how your strategy performs in each one. You can pause, rewind, and repeat key moments to refine your process. You might even replay the same session with different goals. One pass focused on entries, another on exits, maybe another on trade management. That kind of repetition can help turn your rules into habits without the pressure of a live evaluation. Market Replay gives you a flexible, structured way to build experience using real-time market data. By making it part of your routine, you can turn practice into a repeatable process. And though practice doesn't guarantee anything, not practicing guarantees a lot. Market Replay gives you the reps. What you do with them is up to you.